In 2026, Musk made a prediction that nobody wanted to believe. He said, "The next 5 years will create the greatest wealth transfer in human history." Most people ignored it. The smart ones started preparing. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 wealth dividends, the exact opportunities that will define the next decade. Watch closely, because once you see them, you can't unsee them. AI isn't just a tool anymore, it's your team. While the rest of the world is still learning how to use ChatGPT, early adopters are building fully autonomous businesses. One person, dozens of AI agents, 0 employees. That's dividend number 1, AI automation tools and bots. This is where the first billion-dollar solopreneurs are being built right now. Here's the thing about content. Generic content is dying. AI now creates content specifically for your audience, your niche, your ideal customer. One creator, infinite personalized streams. Dividend number 2, personalized content creation. The creator who figures this out wins the next decade. Energy is the foundation of everything, and right now, the entire energy sector is being rewritten. Solar, fusion, AI-optimized grids, smart cities that power themselves. Dividend number 3, energy sector disruption. The companies that own the future of energy are being built in garages right now. Physical work, replaced, every industry, every job. The robot revolution isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening in factories right now. Humanoid robots, precision automation, wireless coordination. Dividend number 4, robotics. This isn't about job loss. It's about who invests in the companies building the robots first. Your knowledge, your experience, your expertise. In the AI age, what you know is worth more than ever, because AI can amplify it to millions of people automatically. Online courses, coaching, memberships, digital products. Dividend number 5, knowledge monetization. This is the one where you are the asset. No investors, no factory, just you. There you have it. The 5 wealth dividends of the AI age. AI automation, personalized content, energy, robotics, knowledge monetization. The question is no longer if this future comes, it's whether you're in it. The window is open, but it's closing faster than you think. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the right time. Start now. Because in 2026 to 2030, the people who move first take everything.